Hi, my name's Matthias. I'm from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how you get Facebook ads data streamed into BigQuery in a few clicks. Let's get started. First of all, you need to create an account with us. In case you haven't done so, you'll find the link in the comment section below. Once you have created it, you head to Facebook ads. Then you grant access to your Facebook ads account, which I'm doing here. Then once the window closes, you'll be able to select the accounts here you wish to stream. Now for this demo, I'm only working with one account, which is Windsor.ai main. And once this is done, I go to preview and destination, and then I select the metrics and dimensions I'd like to stream over into BigQuery. Once I have selected them, I go to BigQuery, add a destination task, and now we give it a meaningful task name so we can find it again later on. Now we would need the GCP project ID. Now the best way to find that is if you click on the dataset info on your dataset in BigQuery, and you will find it to the left of the dot in the dataset ID. So in this case, it's Windsor-AI, and the ID itself is Pied Piper. So I'm adding this in here. Dataset ID is Pied Piper, and then I give it the table name, which in this case, I'm going to make it the same name as the task. And then I'm heading to the cloud storage in Google Cloud. Now over here, you need to create a cloud bucket. I call that marketing data Pied Piper. And the folder itself is called demo time. So I'm adding this in. Now the next parameters are the schedule. So here, this is when the task should run, because we want to get fresh data into BigQuery. So I'm setting this to 1 a.m. Do note that this is in UTC. And then I can also add the backfill here, meaning how much worth of data do we want to get streamed over. In this case, I'm selecting a year. Once this is done, I'm clicking on save. And then the data is streamed over. Now this can take a while, and once it's completed, the upload will turn green. Now the upload turned green, so I can head over to BigQuery, and now if I refresh, the table starts appearing, and the table contains the fields which we have selected in Windsor.ai. Now you would repeat this process for as many tables as you'd like to set up, and then you can start working with the data in BigQuery. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoy using our platform.